Good afternoon! I'm Darren Loggy, aka the voice of Open High School. This is a new medium we're trying out for family announcements. Hope you enjoy. Come join the Environmental Club and participate in the Youth Strike for Climate tomorrow, Friday, September 20th, starting at 10:45 a.m. You must have a permission slip to attend, so please pick one up from Eliza, Jane, or the front office. Your slip must be submitted by 8:30 a.m. on the day of the strike. Come out and let your voice be heard in support of our planet. GRTC Picture Day is on Monday, September 23rd. Please have your GRTC form submitted before this date, and remember to look your best for the picture. There will be an Open High School Spirit Night at Pies and Pints on 2035 West Broad Street on Wednesday, September 25th. Family Cup points are at stake, so please be sure to attend if you're able. All YMCA classes will be held at Open High School on Thursday, September 26th. Please plan accordingly. Bring senior class project forms to Bridget immediately. These are past due. Saturday, September 28th is the date of the 18th annual Lucille Brown Youth Bowl at Virginia Union University. The event is free and designed to expose area youth to the VUU college experience through academic, athletic, and cultural experiences. Registration begins at 9 a.m. Be there or be somewhere else. Art 180 is offering a wide variety of amazing art-based after-school programs beginning on Monday, September 30th. Click the link in the description for more details. The Richmond Peace Education Center is offering free conflict resolution classes for teens on October 26th and 27th. Please click the link in the description for further details. Space is limited. AP Literature and AP Language students are encouraged to attend Saturday study sessions offered by the National Math Science Institute. Sessions will be held at Huguenot High School on Saturday, October 12th, Saturday, November 9th, and Saturday, January 25th. Extra credit will be offered. See lore for further details. Planning on taking the SAT? Richmond Public Schools will be holding free SAT prep sessions every Saturday in October in preparation for the November SAT. Please see the attached link for details on the date and time. Remember class dues. Pay online using the link in the description provided. Here are your family cup standings. If your family's not on the list, step up your game. That concludes the announcements for September 19th. Let us know what you think of the new format. Our email is in the description, or feel free to stop and talk to me, Griffin, or Chris anytime. Thanks and have a good day.